Have you ever noticed your computer slowing down, programs crashing unexpectedly, or maybe even files mysteriously disappearing or becoming unreadable? These frustrating issues can often point to a problem with your computer's storage drive. When these problems arise, running a disk check is one of the most effective solutions, and thankfully, your operating system provides built-in options to do just that. The primary tool for this is called Check Disk, often referred to by its command prompt name, CHKDSK. A disk check is like a routine physical for your hard drive or solid-state drive. It carefully scans your storage media for two main types of problems. First, it looks for file system errors. Think of these as inconsistencies in how your computer organizes data. If the operating system loses track of where a piece of a file is, or marks a space as empty when it actually contains data, that is a file system error. Second, a disk check can identify bad sectors. These are tiny areas on your drive that have become physically damaged and can no longer reliably store information. Finding and isolating these helps prevent data loss. You have options to simply scan for these issues or to instruct the tool to try and fix them. There are two primary ways you can run a disk check, catering to different comfort levels. The simplest method is through your operating system's graphical interface. If you are using Windows, you can open File Explorer, right-click on the drive you want to check, select Properties, then navigate to the Tools tab, and finally click on Check under the Error Checking section. This will usually present you with an option to scan the drive. For more control, or if you prefer typing commands, you can use the command prompt. To do this, search for command prompt in your Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Once the black window appears, you can type CHKDSK followed by the drive letter you wish to scan, a colon, and then specific commands to tell it what to do. For example, to scan your C drive and automatically fix any file system errors found, you would type CHKDSK space C:/F if the drive is currently in use. The system might schedule the check for the next time you restart your computer. For a really thorough examination and repair, an advanced option often used by technicians is the CHKDSK /F/R/X command. The /F tells CHKDSK to fix any file system errors it finds. The /R command is particularly useful as it locates bad sectors and recovers any readable information from them. And the /X command forces the volume to dismount first, which means it quickly prepares the drive for the exclusive access needed to perform these extensive repairs. Understanding these specific commands allows you to tailor the disk check to the exact problem your computer might be facing. Regularly running a disk check, especially when you notice performance issues or unusual behavior, is a proactive step in maintaining the health and longevity of your computer's storage drive. By understanding these different options, from a quick scan through the graphical interface to a detailed repair using the command prompt, you can effectively diagnose and resolve potential issues, helping to keep your system running smoothly and your data safe. It empowers you to take control of your computer's well-being and ensures a more reliable and enjoyable computing experience.